Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a profile or account from your Xbox One. This is very easy to do. So what I want to do is go back to the home screen, or go to my profile, and we can go to settings right here, or on the top right here, and select this, and then go on down to where it says account, and then go to the right, and then we have remove accounts right here as the setting option. And then I'm going to go ahead and select one of the accounts. So I can select one of these third accounts, and then I can remove it from my Xbox. And it says the account will be deleted from this Xbox, including any Connect sign-in data, any game progress that hasn't been uploaded. To add them again, the person will have to sign into their Microsoft account. Alright, so let's go to remove account, and it will no longer be an option to sign in under. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.